Hey y'all, my name is Roxelle Richards. I'm a practicing injury attorney, business owner, and mentor. You know, the rewards to creating an online course definitely outweigh the cons. They allow you to create a passive income, reach more people, create leads, make a big impact, build trust, save you time, plus more. So I just want to know why you don't have one. Whether you are a new or established business, working professional, or an employee, there is a course inside each one of us. Whether you have experienced something that has been life-changing, possess a certain skill set that others can learn from, or just simply have information that others can use, you have experienced transformation because of it. You know, launching my first course, I made $30,000 in 30 days. And I have since gone on to teach other business builders how to launch their own course in my program, Excell. But getting there takes work. First, you need to know how to complete the course, then execute an online platform to showcase your course. This is where most people get stuck. You know, I've seen all of those wonderful course creating webinars out there, and they tell you how to create the course. They don't teach you how to execute it, right? And so it can cost you money, it can cost you invaluable time. And if you go to some of these big, course creating companies, they're gonna charge you hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars. I've been down that road myself before I decided to take things into my own hand. This is why I'm making my team available to help you create not only your course, but to execute your online course so that you can showcase it to the world, your website. All you have to do is choose a package, pay the service fee, and then schedule your onboarding call. And if you're not sure where to get started or if you have questions, it's no problem. All you have to do is schedule your free 15-minute discovery call with us. Thank you.